When the first light touches Africa's vast grasslands, a new day begins. But in the savannah, survival is never guaranteed. As the first light of dawn spreads across the African savannah, the sky glows with deep orange colors. A new day begins, but in this land, peace is rare. Here, every sunrise marks another chapter in the endless struggle for survival. Life in the savannah is a constant battle between predator and prey. Survival depends on strength, timing, and instinct. In the tropical savannah, massive herds of wildebeest begin one of nature's greatest journeys. Millions move together across the land, driven by a single goal: finding water. Hidden in the tall grass, lions wait silently. They watch, patient and focused, ready to strike at the right moment. In other parts of the savannah, zebras and wildebeest face even more dangers. This land tests every animal's endurance. When the rainy season floods the plains, rivers become deadly traps. Beneath the water, crocodiles wait for the herds to cross. Many animals do not survive these crossings. Only about 70% of zebras complete the journey. In the savannah, every creature, hunter or hunted, fights to stay alive. The savannah covers nearly 20% of Earth's land surface. It is a vast biome made up of grasslands with scattered trees. These trees are spaced far apart, allowing sunlight to reach the ground and support thick grass below. This balance creates one of the most productive ecosystems on the planet. The African savanna is also one of the oldest ecosystems on Earth. Between 8 and 5 million years ago, dense forests began to disappear as the climate grew drier. Grasslands replaced forests, forcing animals to adapt or disappear. Those that survived shaped the savanna we see today. Today, the African savanna stretches across 5 million square miles, covering about 65% of Africa. It is home to more than 8,000 plant species and over 1,500 mammal species. These plants and animals work together to regulate climate and maintain balance. One of the most important savanna regions is the tropical savanna, which covers nearly half of Africa. Life here follows the rhythm of wet and dry seasons. At its heart lies the Serengeti, one of the most famous ecosystems in the world. The Serengeti spans 12,000 square miles across Tanzania and Kenya. It supports over 70 species of large mammals and more than 500 bird species. This land is best known for the Great Migration. Each year, around 1.5 million wildebeest, 250,000 zebras, and hundreds of thousands of gazelles travel over 1,800 miles in search of fresh grass and water. When the dry season arrives, rivers become dangerous obstacles, and predators gather. This migration feeds thousands of lions. In the Serengeti alone, 3,000 to 3,500 lions depend on migrating herds. Every year, thousands of wildebeest and zebras are hunted, helping keep animal populations in balance. Lions, known scientifically as Panthera leo, are Africa's top predators. They live in groups called prides, usually made up of 10 to 15 lions. Lionesses do most of the hunting, using teamwork and strategy. Male lions protect the pride, defending it from rivals and scavengers. One of their greatest rivals is the spotted hyena. Unlike their reputation as scavengers, most of their food comes from hunting. They live in large, organized clans led by females. With powerful jaws and strong teamwork, hyenas are formidable hunters and essential cleaners of the ecosystem. Another iconic predator is the cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth. Capable of reaching speeds up to 58 miles per hour, cheetahs rely on speed and sharp eyesight to hunt during the day. However, they tire quickly and often lose their prey to stronger animals. Today, only about 200 cheetahs remain in the Serengeti. Above the plains, the sky is alive with birds. One of the most striking is the marabou stork, with a wingspan of nearly 10 feet. Often seen near carcasses, these birds help prevent disease by cleaning up remains left behind by predators. Beyond the Serengeti lies the central Zambesian Miombo Woodlands, one of Africa's largest savanna ecosystems. Tall trees store carbon, regulate climate, and provide shelter for countless species. Here lives the African bush elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. These giants shape the landscape by clearing vegetation and creating pathways that other animals use. Despite their size, elephants face serious threats from poaching and habitat loss, and they are now listed as endangered. As we move east, the landscape becomes harsher. In the Somali Acacia bushlands, rainfall is rare, temperatures are extreme, and survival requires special adaptations. Animals here have evolved remarkable abilities. The grevy's zebra, the rarest zebra species, survives with little water and travels long distances to find food. The bat-eared fox hunts termites using its oversized ears, while the striped hyena cleans the land by scavenging at night. The gerenok, also called the giraffe gazelle, can stand on its hind legs to feed from tall trees. The East African oryx survives extreme heat, rarely drinks water, and defends itself with long, sharp horns. Even the ostrich, the largest bird on Earth, thrives here. Unable to fly, it can run at speeds of 40 miles per hour and defend itself with powerful kicks. Finally, near Lake Victoria, forests and savannas blend together. This region supports rare species like the Rothschild's giraffe, one of the rarest giraffes in the world. The African savanna is more than a landscape. It is a living system shaped by time, struggle, and balance, where every creature, no matter how large or small, plays a vital role in the story of survival. The African savanna is a land shaped by time, struggle, and balance where every creature plays a vital role in the story of life. If you enjoyed this journey, please support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with fellow wildlife lovers, and subscribing for more stories from the wild.